Welcome to this video on using your VOIP phone within Microsoft Teams at the New Brunswick Community College. So your VOIP phone in Microsoft Teams is just like a regular landline phone, but it's on your computer and it's not fixed to any location or office. So wherever you are, at home, the office, or on the road, you can use your VOIP phone in Microsoft Teams without any issues. So to use it, all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or device, and then on the left-hand side of the screen here, under the navigation bar, you're just going to select the one that's titled Calls, the little phone icon here. When you do that, you're going to see the keypad right here, and just below the keypad, you're going to see the work number. So the work number right here is going to be the number that users will use to call you on your VOIP phone within Microsoft Teams at the New Brunswick Community College. If you need to call anybody, for example, externally, you can use the keypad right here. So I can, for example, type in the area code right here, and then the phone number of the user that I would like to call. And then I just simply press the call button right here. It's going to pop open a window just like you were joining a Microsoft Teams meeting. And you can see here that it's calling. There's an option here to mute my microphone if I want to, and when I'm ready to hang up, I can just press the leave button right here once the conversation is done. You can also type in a name or number in here, so if you have, for example, some of your contacts in here or the phone number you just want to type in, you can do that as well. Under the Contacts tab right here, so if I select the Contacts tab, it's going to provide me with a list of my current contacts, and most of those are going to be from NBCC, so you can begin adding more contacts here on the right hand side of the screen if you want to. So for example, if I wanted to add a contact from outside of the organization, I can just press the Add Contact button right here, and then I can just type in the name or number that I would like to add. I'm just going to put in the name Tom here, and then I'm just going to press Add. The full name is going to be, for example, Tom Cruise. The company can be Hollywood. The title could be actor. And then the phone number right here, I can put it in. Phone number, the area code, and then the number. And then I'm just going to simply press the Add button right here to add this contact. So once I add it, I can go and verify that it's been added by clicking on the Find a Contact here. And so I just type in Tom Cruise, and you can see that Tom has been added here to my list of contacts. And if I ever want to phone that number or call that number, I can just click on phone right here or use the keypad from the previous screen. I'm just going to go back to the Phones tab right here. Now, if you have an incoming call, this is what it's going to look like. And so you can see here in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, I can see the call coming in, I see the area code and phone number. And to pick it up, I'm just going to press this little blue icon with the phone in it. And again, it's just going to open up a window right here that looks just like a Microsoft Teams meeting. I have the same options as I did when I made the call. For example, to the keypad, I can mute my microphone if I want to. And again, once the conversation is done, I can just simply press the leave button here and it'll hang up the phone. So this concludes the tutorial on using your VOIP phone in Microsoft Teams at the New Brunswick Community College.